And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, boy, did the skies open up today, starting from this morning into this afternoon and evening, and the showers and thunderstorms continue to push eastward. Let's go ahead and put the maps into motion here, and the heavy rains are shown in the red. The heaviest rains are shown in the red. They started off out west in the upper valley, pushing eastward into the mid-valley for this afternoon, now moving into the lower valley for the early evening hours. You folks in Rio Grande City getting a break now from the heavy rains. Are mostly to the east, but McAllen, east of McAllen, still seeing some of those heavy rains, especially into Westico. Look at the lightning bolt. We just heard some thunder here at the station about 2 minutes ago, so some thunderstorms still possible for this evening as they move toward the east. Heavy rains moving past Edinburgh and toward Elsa. We'll zoom on over to Harlingen and Brownsville. Now you are seeing some of the showers and thunderstorms heading your way, coming in from the west and from the south. And look at Raymondville. Heavy rains in the red, moving right through Raymondville, pushing to the northwest toward Santa Rita. So please be careful when driving this evening if you have to be driving. The roads are very slick out there. And if you're going out for this evening, nonetheless, please keep the umbrellas with you. The timing for these rains, we think that most of these showers and thunderstorms should finally start to taper off around midnight tonight, but we cannot rule out some leftover showers even after midnight for parts of the lower valley and the coast. Here are the Doppler estimated rainfall amounts so far for the past 12 hours. We're looking at about 1.3 inches in Edinburgh and McAllen, about 6/10 out west in Rio Grande City. To the east, 3/10 in Raymondville and 2/10 in Harlingen. Not that much in Brownsville, but that should change. We estimate about an inch or so in most areas over the next couple of hours for the lower valley. And because of the rains, they have cooled things off out west. Look at that. Only 62 degrees right now in Westico, 64 in McAllen, 65 in Edinburgh, and 64 Rio Grande City. Still in the 70s in Brownsville, Port Isabel, and Raymondville. That should change as the rains continue to push your way. 64 degrees in Harlingen. So here's the evening planner forecast. These forecast temperatures are for Westico. It's already 62 degrees. Those temperatures may actually hover just a bit into the mid-60s overnight into early tomorrow morning, but there you have it. More showers and thunderstorms on and off. The threat for severe weather is very, very low. It's not zero, but very small. Maybe some isolated hail or some gusty winds, but I think the bigger threat for tonight would be the locally heavy rain. So please be careful when driving for this evening into the overnight hours as the roads will stay slick. Later on tonight, there is that good chance for some patchy fog thanks to all the moisture in place. So the reason for this wet weather today, we have this big upper level disturbance that is centered over West Texas and southeastern New Mexico. So we're on the front side of it. We also have this surface low pressure system shown in the red L. We've got the moisture, the instability, and that's why it has been raining so much for today from the morning into the afternoon and evening hours. Well, here is future track, and as we get into the overnight hours, the rain should finally end for most areas. Again, at 11 o'clock this evening, maybe some showers and thunderstorms still for the lower valley. We could see a few leftover showers toward the coast after midnight, but around midnight, most areas should finally be dry. And as I said, watch out for that patchy fog. Should be dry for tomorrow with decreasing clouds, and the temperatures warm back into the 80s for tomorrow, at least for the first half of the week. Another front should arrive here in the valley by late Tuesday. On the water, small craft advisories in effect until late tonight. We'll have winds out of the south at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy early on this evening, becoming moderate later on this evening, and then light for tomorrow. Next tide is a low tide at 1:58 tomorrow morning, and the seas are 6 to 12 feet. Obviously, showers and thunderstorms will continue on the water and on the coast, so boating is not good at all for tonight into tomorrow morning. Showers and thunderstorms will continue, especially for the mid and lower valley. Patchy late fog, a good possibility. We're down to about 60 degrees for the overnight low. And then for tomorrow, some patchy fog possible in the morning. Should be warmer than today with a high temperature of 80 degrees. Clouds decrease, especially for the afternoon. Here's that 7-day forecast. It is much drier for tomorrow and Monday. We'll put in a 20% chance of some showers on Tuesday. Look at that. The highs are back to the upper 80s. The next front arrives late Tuesday, so behind it, the temperatures are closer to normal, but that front may very well stall out either over or to the south of the valley by Wednesday. So we're going to keep in a chance, actually a good chance, of some showers and thunderstorms again on Wednesday at 40%, 30% chance of rain Thursday and Friday.